I'm just going to sit here for a second.
I don't know what to do with this one.
Stay tuned for a belly rubbing good time. We're going to make the skin diver.
You figure that one out.
Yeah, that was right.
It'll all make sense later.
Welcome to Tom Mac Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Ian are going to make for you a tiki drink. This is called the Skin Diver.
The Skin Diver.
Let that settle in. Let everybody get off the jokes.
Take it in. Take it in.
All right.
What's their favorite dish, right? That's the flute.
We were going to have Ian make this drink with his shirt off.
Yeah.
But
That's too much skin.
You wouldn't
Yes.
see any skin. It would just be hair.
A little bit of blubber.
Yeah.
But I think it would have
Lot of
been
blubber.
well received. So you can tell us in the comments, and maybe next time we'll have him do that. So just let me know.
I'll just let all the commenters know. Even a Russian called Ian very hairy.
You're so hairy. Where are you from?
True story.
Why are you so hairy?
Did they say why?
No.
Our executive producer is W.T. Fitz. Now that should have slid up already because I'm about to top. I'm going to bust
So what are
on top of you.
the ingredients?
The ingredients are 3/4 ounce of Demerara Rum, 1.5 ounces of gold Puerto Rican rum, 1.5 ounces of honey mix, 1.5 ounces of orange juice, freshly squeezed, of course, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of heavy cream, 2 dashes of
Half
Angostura
ounce of
Bitters,
heavy cream.
6 drops of vanilla. What did I say?
1.5.
Oh, don't do that. Half ounce. 6 drops of vanilla extract, 1 cup of fresh crushed ice. I guess it's got to be fresh, otherwise it should be cold water.
Yes.
So, blend it in an Ernst blender. Add our Pearl Diver glass if you have one. We don't have one, so we're just going to use a normal tea glass. If you've ever seen a Pearl Diver glass, it looks like a coupe with a kind of a tubey bottom to it. It's a drink glass. It's a real yeah. They're just like a specialty glass that you get it and you're like, it's like a margarita glass. You like, I have a margarita I can't say that word. Margarita glass, but you still end up using just a fucking glass that you already have because you don't feel like finding
Why
a
don't we use that
margarita
one
glass.
then? Should we use this glass then?
No, we don't have a Pearl Diver glass.
What did you want?
No, because that's huge.
Are you really trying to do 6 drops in?
Vanilla extract strong, yeah.
It is.
Yeah, you end up tasting like vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, I
All
don't
right,
want
there
that.
you go, Derek. Diana says, I'm a bit of a rum virgin. What would you suggest? This goes back to your island rum.
Oh, learning.
So if you first off,
Okay.
I have 2 videos. One's called rums. I think it's island rums or what rums you should pick. I don't know. I'll put a link up here. I would, if you don't know anything about rum, don't start with Jamaican because it's going to be funky and bitter. Don't start with French like Martinique rums because what else is the name of those things called? Agricole. Is that the name? The suppressed sugar cane. It's kind of like Kasasha in that way. Weird. I would go the easiest, most neutral Puerto Rican rum. Bacardi, Havana Club, just the Bacardi version. I think it's Bacardi version.
For the United States.
For the United States. You can go with the gold rum I was talking about earlier, which is Mount Gay, which I believe is Barbados. Right? Yep.
That
Barbados.
Turn the buttery real quick.
Yeah, again. What is it with you and the
No, I
cream?
didn't turn to butter. It's not going to turn to butter. It's going to turn to
Oh,
foam.
Smith and Cross
We need a
is
straw.
Smith and Cross is good if you're into funky. I would use Smith and Cross in a drink that doesn't have a lot of other ingredients, and it's going to be super potent because Smith and Cross is super tasty. Plantation 3-star. Trick behind Plantation is they also add sugar to it, so there's probably 30 grams.
It's blended
milligrams.
too, isn't it?
There's a little bit of sugar in here. Blended? Yeah, it's a blend of Barbados, Jamaican, and Trinidad.
Yeah.
So you get 3 different brands all in one.
Really good.
Havana Club, if you can get it, not US, unless you do like I do and get it when you're at an airport. Oh shit, what's this? Oh, that's just the other one. Those are a couple of the ones I probably start with. Bacardi is good. I can't help it. It's just that's the way it is. So Bacardi is
If you're
a
gonna
good
make like
standard.
mojitos and stuff like that, I mean it's.
But it tastes good.
It tastes good. It's
We
yeah.
always like it in
And
a
a
blind
blind
tasting.
And
Like this product calls for Demerara Rum. Demerara Rum's gonna be sweet. It uses like the dark sugary molasses
good rum,
flavor.
though.
Yeah, if you like molasses, you're gonna get something out of it.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a combination.
Appleton, yeah.
Appleton.
I mean, Appleton's good. Yeah.
Jamaican.
You're gonna suck that down.
Appleton's Jamaican.
Yes.
It's not as funky.
No. That's why it gets a lot of sales.
Yeah.
The funkier stuff is hard to get, I think.
Interesting.
Interesting in a bad way?
No, not really.
No, not in a bad way, but
Is it the El Dorado?
No, it has a whipped cream taste to it. Because of the vanilla and the heavy cream, maybe? And obviously rum. You can get this in the Beachman Berry Remix book.
it's like creamy. I don't know. Like there's a taste that I
Affiliate link below.
can't put my finger on it.
Oh, there you go.
What?
Live does stand for something.
See, I said. Learning virtual environment.
Holy crap.
In virtual
In.
environment.
Learning in virtual environment.
This is real. So I don't know.
Yeah, but it's
You are learning in a real
virtual for
environment.
them.
Virtual, yeah.
You can learn something sometimes from us. I also suggest you check out the Havana Club link here for compare and contrast against Havana Club from Cuba versus Havana Club from Puerto Rico.
Very different.
It's different, but both of them in a good way.
You like that?
Oh, you like that?
Do you like that?
You like that?
I do not have a problem with this drink.
So do I.
Dan does not.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It
I
just
have a
has,
problem with that drink.
you know what? Maybe
It's just a one. So
Maybe it's the vanilla with the
Honey?
syrup.
you get the honey in there. I'm getting a little honey.
I don't taste any rum.
Honey and vanilla. No. Got
I
it.
thought you said you tasted the rum, Derek.
No. It doesn't taste like whipped cream. Like it has more body to it than whipped cream. But it has like vanilla, honey, maybe like some Angostura could be the Havana Club, like the spicier stuff. But it's definitely got honey, cream, vanilla. It's like a dessert drink, but it's not as sweet as
It's not like sweet. It's not.
It's
I mean,
not sweet.
Yeah. No.
It's like the last drink where you're like,
It's sweet, but it's not sweet.
It'd be pretty terrible with police sketch artists. He's kind of tall,
No,
but
you-
not that tall. His eyes are kind of brownish, kind of bluish. You know, longish
So-
short hair,
Short hair, but
Are the three of you fucked up?
small to large build.
the weird thing is, the Demerara I think might be playing in here.
Oh,
Is in the middle.
Don't even know if it
Or
was
maybe that's it.
The rum, it's like,
Like I would drink the whole drink.
oh yeah, not a problem. But it's
Would or
weird.
will?
It kind of goes up.
What'd you say? I would drink the drink.
I would know.
It's like it starts out like an orange creamsicle, and then it goes into like a Demerara rum, and then it finishes in a whipped cream. Like it's got a lot of different phases of flavor, like creamsicle, rum, whipped cream.
It doesn't sound bad.
You may find out.
It's not bad.
It's just so. What I think Dan is trying to say is this is like a one and done drink. You wouldn't go and let me have another one of those.
Yeah.
This is probably the end of the night or maybe the beginning.
Jimbo likes how you
After
clean up
dinner.
immediately after the drink.
It's definitely
That's
It's
gotta happen. So
definitely something you would drink at the end of the night.
That's
Yeah,
how you do it. You gotta do it as you go along, then you don't mess it up at the end.
maybe
gotta do
that with a coffee.
Clean it.
What the fuck are you doing?
Brian Straw.
The gay way.
No, the game would be blowing through it.
Then that's not cleaning it.
But as if you put that on
That's also weird. What are you doing? Blow drying it?
in a protected kind of way.
Yeah.
Blow dry.
Keeping everything good. So this drink is invented in 1967 by J. Papo Galcini. He's a Filipino man that had this problem with making perfect drinks. Like every drink had to be perfect. Bartenders had to tiptoe around him because they had to be perfect. But perfect to him was if he liked it, everybody else would like it. That makes it very hard to reproduce a drink that somebody else invented
Yeah.
based on their taste.
Rob is calling you out.
I know.
Rob.
Real
Rob, you're kind of right about some of
They
these
say.
drinks. I've never had any of these.
Cocktail, they say it's sweet after all. No, that's not true. I don't think we said that after each cocktail.
Real
The
tiki
Lopez
drinks.
one was definitely sweet.
Real tiki drinks are not sweet. I can attest to that having been to many real tiki bars.
Well, there's
Yeah.
But I don't like
Tiki isn't just
Yes.
Yeah.
right.
one
Or their
profile.
tiki
I mean,
drinks
Yeah.
are
Tiki
very,
drinks can be sweet.
alcohol forward.
If you
Obviously.
if you go to a real tiki bar and you order a navy grog,
Well,
you will not be going, "Ooh, this is too sweet for me."
well, if you make that at home, it's not going to be too sweet for you either. But
But nobody will make it. Most people can't make half that shit at home.
true.
If you make it at home, it's going to be a whole shitload cheaper, but it should taste the same. But if you go to a real tiki bar, you're going to get like grapefruit bitter, white grapefruit flavors, like acidic But then you go to like your local down the store Chinese food restaurant and you order a Mai Tai.
I guess when you're looking at like a real Mai Tai compared to a
Right. You go to
Chinese restaurant Mai Tai is definitely different.
Yeah.
a
And
random
that's what we're
Chinese
trying to
place.
say.
Yeah. You're going to get a sweet drink because that's
But yeah,
what
a bunch of
people
these were
want.
definitely sweet. Like,
They're
I
not.
mean, and they weren't as spirit forward, other than like the gin drink was.
Yeah. I
But
think
then-
the only ones that were
And then when you
sweet.
put the rum in,
I think Tiki's just really known for being strong, right?
Strong.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
like the last
And-
two drinks have been sweet, but they will
And it's
hurt
not
you.
always that it tastes strong.
Yeah,
Right.
Just that
Right.
it is strong.
Right.
Sometimes it hides the strong, but it's
Yes,
there.
that's what I've
They
always
are.
heard.
They have to
There's
be
not a lot
offset.
of there's not a lot of weak tiki drinks.
No.
No.
And this drink gets its sweetness from that cream and the honey,
It's not recommended
Right.
to drink more than like
but
2
it's
or 3
this isn't as
teaspoons.
sweet as a pina colada.
No,
Right.
it's not sweet like that. It's not like
The last two were definitely sweeter, but they're also more potent. Where the original ones we started with tended to be a little lighter introduction. Like that first drink was tasty, and you could drink lots of them, but you have to make a lot of drinks. So you can get sweet ones. It's just not the ones that you will get at a good restaurant. If you get them too sweet, it's just not.
But we did go to his bar in Louisiana, right? That's
Oh,
We went
Tiki?
to
we went to
no, Told
Beach
Tiki was
Bums.
bitter.
Yeah,
Beach Bums
And
were
he had really good
a good
drinks.
balance of
the
sweet
other
and
tiki
sour.
place was super bitter. Like everything was.
Oh, that was
The one
That's
where
when you
spun
ate the
wheel.
flour.
Oh, Tiki, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Tall Tiki. That's where you spun the wheel. Yeah, that was strong.
yeah.
And you
We
had
went
that's
to
when you
Beach
had
Bums
the
bar, the fog
the
cutter.
yeah
Latitude
The fog
40,
the fog
48.
cutter is not sweet.
no
No, fog cutter's not sweet.
I have had sweeter fog cutters. They typically are a little bit more potent, but I had sweeter ones. Not there.
The zombie's not typically
The
sweet.
zombie is not sweet.
no.
It
We
doesn't-
just
I don't
had
know
that
if
in
it
the
has
Tonga
sugar.
room.
That was like tastes
There's
like
no
sugar.
sugar in a
But
zombie.
even their Mai Tai, the Tonga room, it wasn't.
It's like
it-
cinnamon syrup.
It was like a between.
It was
like,
between. It wasn't. I mean, it's not sweet, but it wasn't like.
It wasn't super.
Super bitter,
It was,
yeah.
It wasn't. Yeah.
Yeah, it's there. You can get sweet drinks. It's just because people buy them.
So the
People
roll
buy
up for
them.
this drink is that it's a sweet tiki drink.
Yes.
This is
That's
a
a good
cream-based
one-shotter.
sweepy drink.
Yeah.
Well, yeah,
a
it's got
cream-based
cream and
drink.
vanilla.
You don't see heavy cream used on a lot of tiki drinks.
No, you don't.
I think you see coconut cream, but not like heavy cream. But I agree. This drink is
with
unique.
some cream.
Yeah, like it's good.
It's good. It's better than most cream drinks because cream drinks typically just taste like a 9 flavor ice cream.
Yeah.
Which makes them not good. How?
No, it's not interesting.
Okay.
You can get it from ice cream, and I'm fine with that. I'm not always looking for the most interesting drink. That's the one that wins. Sometimes you just want to like cuddle up with like that drink you make with the cream and the
The White Russian.
No, the one
No,
that,
wait,
the
where's it?
Cadillac. The
Oh, the
Yeah.
Golden Cadillac.
Golden
yeah,
Cadillac.
the little
Like
Cadillac.
those type of drinks. They're sweet. They're
I think
tasty.
it's a strip club.
Oh yeah, it's the.
Strip club.
Is that the drink? What's the Cadillac?
Every time we talk about the Golden Cadillac,
Golden
we get this
Cadillac.
fucking strip club
Yeah, the
conversation.
Cadillac
And it's
Lounge.
always starting by him.
Lounge.
Yeah, the Golden
Oh,
Cadillac's
yeah,
not the
yeah, that's the drink.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm like, don't make me look this up.
But
If I had the book
I'm just
here,
saying.
I could have easily looked.
Yeah,
it
it's
So-
all in there somewhere.
this drink is created for the in Laguna Beach in California at the Outrigger. Maybe you can get it there. It's based. This is a riff off the Pearl Diver, which to make a proper Pearl Diver, you need like a Pearl Diver mix drink thing, which I thought I had in here.
Is that Midori in it?
No,
Yeah, I
this-
thought the Dory was in a Pearl Diver.
no, it's this coconut cream and like.
Oh, you don't want to
cinnamon.
fucking use that one.
Look at how
Oh.
Well, no, you get.
look at how
you
it
gotta warm it
hardens.
up. You
It
gotta warm up.
freezes into a position where like the coconut makes a nice line and the whole
That's
color.
crazy.
Yeah, I usually when I bring it over at the pool,
Mhm.
I just let it sit and eventually it turns back into
A mix.
stuff. Or you can put it in a microwave, but when you're at a pool,
Gardenia mix.
usually it's
Yeah,
easier. That gardenia mix.
I thought it had Midori too.
Yeah.
Pearl Diver.
Pearl diver? No, pearl diver is really
What's the one that-
a
there's
true
something
pearl
that has
diver
it.
uses a butter.
Then what's the
That
one that
uses
has
what?
Butter.
Midori?
Has butter in it?
Yeah, that's what that stuff is. It's like a buttery coconut thing. What is it?
What has Midori then? There is one.
Midori sour?
Yeah. No.
A tiki cocktail.
Pearl-
A
Seriously?
tiki cocktail?
Oh, Pearl Harbor?
Pearl Harbor.
Oh, Pearl Harbor. Okay.
Oh, that's like a
Mixed up
place.
all the time.
Yeah, no, that's not like a. No, yeah,
They
Pearl
both
Harbor.
have Pearl in the name.
It's true. They do. They both have pearl
You
in the name.
can't dispute
I
that.
can't dispute both words have pearl. There's not a lot of things that have pearl, so I can see how you can
One has an
connect them.
H.
That's right. One has an arbor, the other one has a diver.
It has an H.
Is this like the hurricane
Singapore
conversation we
slang.
had in the Singapore slang?
Yeah. That
All
one.
right, I think we're way off track.
All right.
With that callback,
So I will finish the live
We
stream
got
by
yelled
answering
at.
people's questions and educating them more. So you should be on our live streams, which means you should follow us on
Maybe we'll make
Facebook.com/CocktailTV.
someone's favorite drink if we can.
we can maybe make somebody's favorite drink if we can. You can use coupon code 30 off. Please use the coupon code because I didn't have enough people on my newsletter. Only 6,500 people, and I only got one sale out of that for this thing. So if you want to save 30% off on Scrappy's Bitters, primarily Scrappy's Bitters and Royal Rose syrups, and if you want BG Reynolds Falernum, throw that in there too. Save yourself some cash on some of those equipments so that you can make tiki drinks, and eventually, I guess, we'll make fall cocktails. I don't want to think about that though.
Can't wait.
Yeah, pumpkin spice.
That's probably next time we
cider.
film. I don't want to
Love
think
it.
about it. It's fucking summer. There's pools.
Love it.
Summertime.
Heat and humidity go away.
Right. No.
It's not a bad
Sidebar,
season.
more videos,
Wait,
all
tomorrow, you're
tiki,
all set.
summertime loveliness. Down below, the bartender, awesome drinks, starter
Did you just
kit.
like rubber stuff? Summertime loveliness? He's like, it's summertime loveliness.
Awesome, lovely
Why do you think he
tiki
does these shows? He really enjoys them. Really.
I enjoy the fun.
We're jumping into summertime loveliness.
Anyway.
TCU, hot drink.